So I got this Audi 2009 Audi A4 2.0 turbo. This is more of an informational video. It's got this really interesting deal. I've seen quite a few of them lately where the camshafts lobes will actually walk, creating misfires, misfires at idle, and then as you accelerate, the misfire seems to go away because of cam speed. So especially when they've been valves, you got to pay really close attention to see if the camshafts walk, the lobes. And what I mean by that is if you see those two lobes right there, that is number 4 intake. How one is different than the other, that means the lobes have walked. They're pressed on lobes. They're not welded or machined out of one piece of aluminum or metal like we're used to. Their leak down tests are extremely important to do. Make sure that your valves are sealing. One more thing in the ground world of possible misfire problems, but something you might want to watch out for on this. So anyways, just to let you know that that's the issue on this particular car, and something you might want to check on these Volkswagen motors. Thank you much.